is Sarah Richter. I'm co-founder of Kobold Charakteranimation, and in this video tutorial we're going to take a quick look at the parameters you can control within the animated candle. So inside the Objects Manager, choose the null object Candle Controller, and inside the Attributes Manager, make sure that you are in the User Data tab. Here are all the parameters you can control within the animated candle, and one of the really cool things is that you can animate all of those parameters. A value of 7% for the strength of the wind will result in a calm, slightly flickering flame, as you can see. If you increase that value, it is already animated here, if you increase that value up to 100%, that flickering will increase dramatically. The additional diameter allows you to increase the diameter of the existing flame. And here's another really cool thing, because if you want to increase the diameter even more or decrease the value, you can change the minimum and maximum limits of the default values we give to you very quickly inside Cinema 4D. Just go to the User Data menu and choose Manage User Data. And here we'll go to the flame, additional diameter, and we'll set new values for the minimum and maximum sliders. So let's set a maximum value of 200% and a minimum value of -100%. Click on OK so that Cinema 4D takes over the new values. Now you can see that you can increase the diameter even more, and if you want to, you can decrease it as well. Let's go back to the default value of 0%. The light strength controls this light that moves simultaneously with the flame. That means that, for example, if I set it to 0% and render out the candle, you will still be able to see the flame, just not the light. Okay, let's set it back to 100%. The glow strength controls the glow of the candle, so let's render out both values of 100% and 0%. This would be the result of 100%. You can see a nice, beautiful glow around the flame and the candle. Let's see what it looks like when we set the glow strength to 0%. Okay, and let's leave it at 100%. Now the flickering effect is actually created and controlled by both the strength of the wind and the flickering strength. The flickering strength controls the fluctuation of the light's brilliance, and you will see the result of the changes you make for this value once you render out the animation, or at least a piece of the animation. But we found 60% to be a good default value. Blowout's start determines at which frame the process of blowing out the candle completely will begin. It takes 15 frames, during which the strength of the wind increases dramatically until the candle is blown out completely. If you wish to have more control over this process, you can animate the strength of the wind manually. The smoke time determines for how long the candle will emit smoke. In this case it is 90 frames. The frame rate of your animation determines at how many frames per second the animation will run. You should check your project settings under Edit, Project Settings. It is also set to 25. Let's increase it to 30. Let's go back to the candle controller and match that value. Okay, we just took a look at all the parameters that we can control.